Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to get Zoho Books Certification. So first, you want to go ahead and open a new tab and you want to search for Zoho Certification. Then you're going to click on the first link that says Zoho Certification Training Courses. Then you're going to click on Register Now, which will bring you to this page. Then you're going to answer the following information. You're going to select your user type, whether you're a partner or a customer. Then you're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your company name, then your email that Zoho can contact you through, your phone number, your country, and then you're going to answer this CAPTCHA by inputting the answer over here at verification code. And after that, you're going to click on Submit. And then you're going to look out for your email because Zoho will be sending you an email which contains the link to your training courses or your training programs that you can use to study for the examination. And once passing the examination, you will then receive your Zoho certification, which you can use as a proof of your proficiency to quality work. And if you still have other inquiries, then you can scroll down where you can see some frequently asked questions and you can also read more about the Zoho certification. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.